Okay, I'm gonna do some grafting right here. I've actually already done the rest of this as far as grafting is concerned. I didn't get to do the lower ones like I wanted to. I'm gonna have to wait till next year. They're not quite big enough. This one probably is, but I'm just gonna wait to do all of them until next year. So I've got my scion wood right here, and now I need to match up the same, about the same size piece on here. So this is the rootstock that was growing up here that I grew out last year, and it's probably going to be something like that. Okay, and I use this little tool here just because I don't graft hundreds of trees every year. I might do a couple dozen or something. So I use a tool like this, and it's pretty simple. A lot of people like them. Generally speaking, the complaints are, it dulls too fast and all that kind of stuff. So, but for a grafter like me that only does a couple dozen a year, it works out pretty good. Okay, so again, I want to put my scion wood and put it and graft it onto the rootstock here. So I'm going to pick the same size since I'm using this tool. If I was using a knife and some other things, I could get away with different sizes, but I'm not. So first of all, I'll do this carefully. So here is scion wood, and I'll show you that right here. So it gives you that kind of that notch, and then I just need to do the same thing here. And again, I'm gonna say it's somewhere right in here. I want to be careful here so I don't get it even. There we go. Okay, so I don't know if you can see that. This is basically going to fit right in there like that. It's decent. You just need that cambium layer contact to contact. And then I will wrap it up with some grafting tape, which is just kind of this biodegradable tape, but it kind of holds it in place hopefully long enough. And then what I'm going to actually do is, I think I can get away with this one. I'll probably graft it to this cattle panel, or I mean basically tape it to the cattle panel. Let's see, I'll try that. I won't do it super tight. Yeah, you know what, I'm not. I'm going to graft it here first, and then I'll probably do that. So I like to start a little bit below first because it's not, it's not a glove type fit, right? It's not super tight. So I get it going down here first, make sure that's in place. And that's kind of, I think, another con of using a tool like this. Whereas if you use your knife, and you can actually get a better fit. Although this is pretty good. Okay. There, it's good. And I want it pretty tight. And hopefully that'll take. And then, like I said, I think since that is good like that, I'm just gonna do this. Just so I can keep this together on this bar. Kind of help to train it as well. Okay, I'll put one more in there. Little tie. Okay. Now I'm out. Just a little extra precaution here. I'm just going to put this thing in here loosely, or taut, but not super tight. There we go. Okay. Last thing I need to do is just put a little grafting tape on top. Since this is exposed to the air, it's cut on top. So and that's it. I got a bunch, or about 7 or 8 more, but not on this trellis to graft yet. I just wanted to show at least one on here. All right. There we go. Got it marked, and then I will come back with a metal tag later. But this in fact, this apple right here is a Frequin Rouge. It's a cider apple. So hopefully this graft takes, and then next year again I'll come back and get these two here, and then same thing all the way around. All the main stems have been grafted with a couple different kinds of cider apple. I decided to make this a cider apple trellis. And there we go. That's it.